Hi, this is Jim Sackman, your Focal Point Business Coach here in Northern California, and this is an ongoing series of video blogs on branding. And today we're going to talk about one of the more esoteric parts of branding as it relates to the 7 P's of marketing, and that's with processes. And the way I want you to think about this is, have you built your company in a way that your customers want to interact with? So in an example from my own past, I worked for Advanced Fibre Communications, and we sold telephone equipment to small telephone companies in the United States. Many of them received grants and loans from the U.S. federal government, and to do so, they had to fill out a significant amount of paperwork in a very specific way. So what we did is, in the bid process, in the sales process, in our documentation, in the way we worked with them, we made sure that the information was available and that we had specialists that they could talk to about how to fill out the paperwork, how to buy our equipment using these funds that they were going to get from the U.S. federal government. And because of that, I used to call AFC the most profitable arm of the federal government, because much of the equipment that the small carriers bought were funded by these grants and loans. And it became a great way for us to work with our customers. They knew we cared about what they were doing, and it was simpler for us to do it in a way that they needed than to not do it in a way they needed. So what did that do for us? Essentially, while that was going on, our customers didn't have to think about how easy it was to work with us until they tried to switch to another company. And many, especially the larger vendors at the time, didn't work in a way that was easy for them to interact with and easy to get loans and grants from the federal government. So essentially, they outsourced some of these business processes to us, and because of that, our products and services with them were stickier. So, and that's what friction is. It's how hard it is to do business with another company. If it's really simple, then you have a very low friction process, and people will want to continue to do it. Do your customer service processes line up? Do your purchasing processes line up? That was the thing I was talking about today. Do your development processes, all these processes within your company, do they line up with your customers' needs? And when you do line up, then that's a win for your brand, and people will remember your brand and appreciate it. So think about that as you think about your brand and how you build your company and how you work, so you can change your business and change your life. And this is Jim Sackman, your Focal Point Business Coach. Thanks, and have a great day.